experience the height of coffee indulgence with the touch of a button with the new, beautifully designed Nespresso Grand Latissima. Featuring 9 one-touch recipes and brand new, patented fresh milk system technology. Preparing your favorite coffee and milk drinks has never been easier. One-touch recipes include ristretto, espresso, lungo, cappuccino, latte macchiato, cafe latte, flat white, foamed milk, and hot milk. The sliding drip tray allows for use of different glass sizes and, after use, the milk container can be removed and stored in the fridge until the next use. Removable parts are dishwasher safe for simple cleaning. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. The 19-bar high-performance pump is the key to extracting the delicate flavor and premium aromas of each coffee capsule during the brewing process and creating incomparably dense crema. The fast heat-up system means the machine is ready to prepare your favorite recipe in just 25 seconds. An intuitive descaling system is programmable to your unique water hardness. The energy-saving function automatically switches the machine off after 9 minutes of inactivity. The premium design of the Grand Latissima features an elegant glass top. Each machine includes a welcome set with a variety of espresso original line capsules. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Coffee shop recipes at the touch of a button. Enjoy a delicious coffee and milk recipes at the touch of a button. Prepare in an instant an indulgent cappuccino, a smooth latte macchiato, a rich flat white, or a creamy café latte. You can also top up your coffee with extra hot foam, or enjoy a relaxing glass of hot milk. Not in a latte mood? Select between one of the 3 coffee variants: ristretto, espresso, and lungo. Number 2. Easy rinsing system and dishwasher-safe milk jug. At the end of each milk recipe preparation, the clean alert illuminates to invite you to clean the milk system. Place a container under the coffee outlet and turn the milk froth regulator knob to the clean position. The milk system rinsing process starts and hot water combined with steam flows through the milk spout. The milk jug is detachable and dishwasher safe. After use, place all components on the upper side of your dishwasher. Number 3. Intuitive descaling and energy-saving program. Grand Latissima is equipped with an intuitive descaling function triggered according to the programmed water hardness setting. The descaling system ensures the proper functioning of the machine and a perfect coffee experience time after time. The energy-saving function automatically turns the machine off after 9 minutes of inactivity. Number 4. High-pressure pump and fast heat-up. The 19-bar high-pressure pump is the key to perfectly extracting the delicate flavor and premium aromas of each coffee capsule and creating an incomparably dense and unctuous crema. The fast heat-up system reaches the ideal temperature in just 40 seconds for milk recipes and 25 seconds for coffee. Number 5. Complimentary welcome gift. Each machine includes a welcome set with a range of Nespresso capsules with unique aromatic profiles. Try each coffee to find your favorites. Order your Nespresso capsules through the Nespresso mobile app, online at Nespresso.com, by telephone, or in one of our boutiques. Number 6. Ultimate coffee quality. Nespresso follows highly rigorous standards in selecting coffee. We create hermetically sealed and recyclable aluminum capsules as an optimum way to lock in freshness and provide exceptional taste. As a result, we offer a wide variety of blends to satisfy every taste at any moment of the day. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.